Welcome to a world where the smallest acts of courage can spark the grandest adventures. This is the heartwarming mission of Little Steps, Big Rescue. A journey where compassionate heroes, no matter their size, discover that bravery is measured not by strength, but by the kindness in their hearts. Set in a vibrant world where the lush jungle and the sun-drenched farm intertwine, this adventure invites you to help creatures great and small who are in need of a gentle hand and a fearless friend. Pandas eat almost nothing but bamboo. It makes up about 99% of their diet. They can eat for up to 14 hours a day, munching on bamboo leaves, shoots, and stems. Pandas belong to the bear family, Ursidae, and are technically carnivores, but they mostly eat plants. Sometimes they eat small animals. Cats are born hunters with sharp claws, quick reflexes, and excellent night vision. Even well-fed pet cats still love to chase toys, bugs, or shadows. It's in their nature. Cats can see in light 6 times dimmer than humans can. Their eyes have a special layer called the tapetum lucidum. Dogs are descendants of wolves and were the first animals domesticated by humans. Dogs have been living with humans for over 15,000 years. Dogs belong to the Canidae family, which also includes wolves, foxes, and coyotes. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell. Bears live in forests, mountains, tundras, and even icy Arctic regions. Bears are mammals and belong to the family Ursidae. Bears have strong bodies, thick fur, and powerful claws for digging and climbing. Bears have an excellent sense of smell, which is 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's. Cheetahs mainly hunt gazelles, impalas, hares, and other small animals. They rely on speed and strategy, stalking prey before sprinting to catch it. Cheetahs live in Africa, mostly in open plains and savannas, and small populations exist in Iran. They need wide open spaces to spot and chase prey. Camel's hump stores fat, not water. It's used for energy when food is scarce. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go. Camels have special blood cells that allow them to handle dehydration better than most animals. Camels are known as the ships of the desert. Tigers are the largest wild cats in the world. Tigers are solitary animals, meaning they like to live and hunt alone. A tiger's roar can be heard from up to 3 kilometers, 2 miles away. Tigers have orange coats with black stripes, but some are white due to a rare gene. A tiger's body can grow up to 10 feet. Wolves are the largest members of the dog family, Canidae. Wolves have 42 teeth built for tearing meat and crushing bone. Wolves can run at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour when chasing prey. Wolves are carnivores. They mainly eat deer, elk, moose, and smaller animals. Wolves can live 6 to 8 years in the wild, but up to 13 years in captivity. Lions spend up to 20 hours a day resting or sleeping. They're most active at night, nocturnal, when it's cooler for hunting. Lion cubs are born blind and helpless, with faint spots that fade as they grow. Lions live mostly in Africa, in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. A small population of Asiatic lions still survives in India's Gir forest. And finds its horns tangled in a thicket of vines. A fluffy lamb is stranded on a small island in the middle of the creek, and a duckling has gotten separated from its family in a dense patch of reeds.